trying the unicorn Frapp.
It's got
I wish
sparkles
they
on
put
top.
extra blue.
Oh! Oh, it's on my tooth!
People have been saying that it tastes like unicorn.
Can you ask those people what unicorn how they know that? Don't do this to me. Oh!
So what do you rate it?
The blue is a 0 out of 100.
Really?
I hate the blue. The blue's pretty gross. Give it a 5 out of 10.
I'll give it a good 7.5.
It was gross.